Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Justine. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell at the bottom to be notified of all my new videos. Also feel free to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And today I am opening my Boxycharm for this month. This is the first time that I have received a Boxycharm. I see it around a lot. I was really interested in it, so I wanted to go through the contents of the box today with you. I just kind of wanted to give you my opinion, my personal opinion about it. I have done Sephora Play, Ipsy, I've done Beauty Army when they were around. I've done a lot of subscription boxes. And the thing that I love about these subscription boxes is you get, several products that you can try out and see what might work for you. I tend to have a lot of travel and sample sizes in my drawers, and I take them traveling. And I just think it's a really wonderful way to test out new products. It's kind of like a surprise every month. So that's my favorite thing about subscription boxes. And so it does come in a box like this. And everything's always packaged really well. The postage is on the actual box, so I really like that. I remember when I did my previous box, what was it? Was it Birchbox? One of my previous boxes it had an envelope and then it had a box within a box. So I do like that Boxycharm uses the same box to ship. And then it does have, everything's really padded in here, so it's really secure. And it does give you a little guide here of what is in the box. So as I go through, I'm going to talk about the products and I'll let you know the value. I think that the value for this box is really good. So this box I believe is $21 per month unless you do like a 3-month or I think like a 6 or 9. And then it kind of goes up from there. So you have more savings if you decide to do more boxes. So it's all up to you on how you want to, choose to subscribe to this service, but you can cancel anytime. The first thing that I do see is some lashes from House of Lashes, which I've seen before. And they look like this. And they look very pretty. I don't use lashes very often, but I know that this brand is a little pricey. So let's see how much it is. This is a cruelty-free, high quality, and long-lasting. You can have up to 15 wears for this particular lash brand, and anywhere from $9 to $12 for these bad boys. And this one is the Featherette version. It looks very wispy. These are very beautiful. And next in the box is EBATES, or it's EBATES, I'm not sure. EBATES New York Organic Infused Age-Defying Nail Treatment Essentials. And it just says high-tech skincare for nails. See the retail price. This is Sweet Almond Cuticle Oil, non-greasy with vitamin E, sweet almond and jojoba oils, and moisturizes and hydrates the nails. This says it's $18. So this right here almost pays for the whole box. So it's full size. Smells really good. I want to put this on my nails now. I haven't painted my nails today, guys. What I like to do is kind of put it on my nails and kind of rub it around and then go in with my hand lotion. I do like that there was a cuticle oil in here. Next is a brand. It's called Fang Beauty, and this is a eyeliner. It's a gel eyeliner. It's brown. This is the chocolate eyeliner. Use it as an eyeliner, eyeshadow base, or even to touch up your brows. This creamy chocolate toned pomade is the ultimate triple treat. I'll let you guys know in a future video what I thought of this chocolate gel eyeliner. Okay guys, next is a product from Smashbox. This is the Always On Liquid Lipstick. This color looks very unique to me. It's called Deep Thoughts, so I'm going to try it out, but just in case it doesn't really suit me, I'm going to be one-time use applicators. I'm going to re-gift this, or I'll put it in a giveaway for you guys. This color is giving me really big 90s vibes. You guys think of the color? And I have my flannel on today, so it's a perfect 90s inspired day today. I like the formula of this. I haven't tried it before. It did dry down pretty quickly. It feels very comfortable on my lips. The true test will be, how does it last through eating and drinking? How long does it last on my lips before my lips start to feel really, really dry? So that will be the true test. So what I'll do is I'll just keep this on my lips as long as I can today, and I'll check in with you guys in a little while and let you guys know how this held up. This is how my lips are looking after a full day, and I had 2 meals, lots of drinking. Still feels really good. It's not like dry. I can move my lips. I'm very, very, very impressed with this. It's actually a really, really good formula. So I do recommend the formula. The color, it's still growing on me. But we'll go ahead and move on to the next item. These are the Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. There's 3 of them in here. Are individually packaged gold foiled eye masks to brighten, hydrate, and reduce the appearance of dark circles. Experience 3 innovative layers of luxury. The gold foil helps retain heat and prevents evaporation, allowing the maximum amount of serum to penetrate the skin. So there's a lot of information on this. It says it has aloe and lavender oil, which I enjoy. So I think I'll go ahead and try these out in the evening before I go to bed. Excited about it. Alright guys, so lastly in the box is a palette, and this is one reason why I really wanted to try out Boxycharm. They give you all full-size products, number one, so it's a great value for what you're putting into it for $21 a month. And secondly, I've seen there's always a palette in here, so this time it's the Party Animal palette. This one's by Laura Lee, and these are the colors. Definitely out of my comfort zone. So there's some really, really neon colors. I do have a palette kind of similar to this though, actually, and I do have these shades, a green, a pink, and a blue, and I do not use this enough. The white is really the only one that I've used. So these colors are really similar. The only thing I don't have is like an orange and like a green, purple type thing. So Sugar Pill's really, really known for these type of colors. They do a really good job with these as well, because it's really hard to pull off a neon color. So because I already have something similar, I don't want to even swatch these or do anything. What I think I'm going to do is put this in a giveaway for you guys. My first giveaway was a really good success. I was really happy about it, so stay tuned for my next giveaway announcement. $105 in this box. So that's a really, really, really great value. You're not just getting samples, you're not getting travel size, you're getting full size things to try out. So you guys let me know, is this something that you guys would be interested in? Have you heard of Boxycharm, or have you guys become subscribers? If you are interested in kind of checking them out, see what other boxes looked like in the past, you can click on the link below and it'll take you to their website. You can browse around and let me know what you guys thought of this month's box. Leave them in the comments below, and thank you guys so much for watching my video today, and I hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next video.